Cool. Hi, everybody. I'm Tom Jeffries. I'm Professor of Future Cities at Queen's University Belfast, and we're very interested in how people use space and how digital space can support creativity, frictionless use of space, and resilient and sustainable regions. Projects here include something we did up in the Highlands, looking at how digital space can be used to support healthcare delivery in remote communities, and the bandwidth implications of that, but also the spatial implications on the ground. And the project at the bottom with the lugubrious looking man who designed the Buzzcocks sleeve back in the day is a gallery without walls. A gallery without walls in the city. I'm very interested in how digital space can support culture in the city. We're currently collaborating and talking to Belfast City Council, who are willing to support and be involved in any 5G Create projects, I'm told. And we're very good at identifying use cases and how people engage with and use space and how digital space can support that. So get in touch with me if you're interested in working with a leading school of architecture who knows how to design things that look good. Thank you.
Excellent.